Big clean up day today. I've just put a couple of washes on, and I've just finished Frankie Jack's bedroom, although his bedding's just been washed. So basically, I've just put his duvet and his pillowcase over there. So basically, I come in and I completely and utterly change winter for summer. So and that's when I pull out all the bedding. I can't do it too much because it makes me poorly. I know that sounds like a really pathetic excuse, but when because of my chest, which obviously is a lot better, but I'm still allergic to dust mites, so I've got to be very, very careful. I've had the window open, but he's been playing in here, so I've had to shut it again. But I've basically sorted out all his stuff. I'll just turn around and show you what I've So coming in, so his bed's still got to be made, but I've sorted out all of this and washed some of the soft toys as well. I've also taken the light fitting down and his lampshade, and it's kind of it's like a plasticky kids one, so I've been cleaning it in just soapy water, so that's downstairs. Cleaned all the top of his wardrobe. He loves these bits here. These were from my dad, so gone through all of that and chucked away what we don't want. Gone behind his door as well. This is his swimming bag, so everything's ready to go for next weekend, and all the outfits that fit him still. He's had to put some stickers on this today, so he's ruined this baby box. He's an absolute pest. And here we go. So here is his wardrobe. I normally do it in colour coordination, but I don't think I've done a very good job here because I've also gone to do patches of shirts, denims, jackets and hoodies, and he's got a lot, so you can see all his coat hangers here left over from his... Yes, sweetheart?
What Daddy did outside?
What?
The egg.
Don't stand on that. Don't stand on that.
The egg.
So I've kind of put, can you see, I've put some of his hoodies together, his better hoodies, and then, but now he's at school, he's not wearing as many clothes, is he? So I haven't got as many clothes for him. These are all his shoes. I know you're going to say, what the heck? But so I've gone through all his shoes. I don't know what that's doing there. That's Frankie Jack playing. So I've gone through all of his shoes, and I've kept some of his winter shoes down because obviously we don't have that great of summers. I'm just hoping we do this year. He's already been in here already. And then I've put some of his caps, some of his baseball caps. And then down here are all his... I know you should do the Mary Kondo or Maria Kondo, whatever, but honestly I haven't got time for that. I wish I had, but he just pulls it all out and I'd have to do it all again, whereas this is just so much easier for me. These are relatively good shorts. These are denim shorts, and these are scruffy shorts. These are scruffy hoodies. These are scruffy hoodies. And then if I come over here, he's got all his socks. All these now fit him. I've gone through his sock drawer. He's also got sunglasses in here. All his underpants and things like that. He wears lovely designer ones. I know, I don't even wear designer myself. But then for school, he just wears these ones that go with his school uniform. He has his aftershave in here as well. Let's have a look at the next drawer. So he's got things like jeans in all different colours. He's got too many clothes, I know. White jeans, etc. And then these are his very, 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 very smart shorts. And a lot of stuff that I tend to buy in Spain the year before. And then last but by no means least, he's got his bottom drawer. These are his normal T-shirts. These are his T-shirt with collars. These are just everyday T-shirts that I buy, like in 3-packs from Next and stuff, for when he's just dossing about. And then this is his school uniform. And I've started throwing some of his school uniform away, purely and simply because... some of these T-shirts are not going a very good colour, and they should do, because I always wash them with whites, but sometimes Gary doesn't. Shorts for swimming, but also for when we go on holiday. He's got wetsuits. I found an absolute bargain in a service station the other day. So I've got him one for now and one for next year, which you can see. Some hats I've kept down, summer hats. These are his long-sleeved stuff for bed, his short sleeve, scruffy tracksuits for dossing around in, really scruffy tops for dossing around in. and school stuff that's for 4 to 5 years. So that's too big for him yet. I know he's 5, but it's too big for him. See, I've still got the vax on the floor. That's from Ideal World. So this has got to be mended. I'm going to hang the light back up and do his bed, and then that is completely and utterly done. Now I've got to move on to the next room, which I am not looking forward to, but that's the kind of what I do. And then I put all his winter gear into 2 boxes or 3 boxes that will now go up into the loft. So that gives me an idea of what fits in, what doesn't. I'll put some stuff together for friends. I've put some designer gear together that I will sell, and then I've also put stuff together for a charity shop as well. Don't switch that light on because it hasn't got a bulb on, so don't switch it on. So that is Frankie Jack when his bed's made later on today, because I'm also doing loads of washing. That is our winter to summer turnaround. Now, have a look at this. So what a mess. So some of these shoes need sorting. We've got Easter stuff going back up. So I'm now sorting Easter out. I know you're probably thinking, why do I bother? And then I'm going to give you a quick flash, but this is absolutely disgusting. That's my room, which I'm moving on to next. Not looking forward to it, but I'm going to vlog about it right now, so you're going to see it possibly tomorrow. I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. Actually, it's this way around. It's here. And I'll see you tomorrow after I finish this. I've got such a headache on my hands.